Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit text in Capcut template. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create a video using the Capcut template. So I'm going to go to the templates menu and I'm going to pick random template from this Capcut template. And for your information guys, we can only edit text in Capcut template if the template has text in it. So I'm going to select the template with text. For example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, as you can see guys, that this text has template in it. I'm going to use this template. Alright, and I'm going to replace the photo in the template with my own photo. I'm going to select this photo and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and if you want to edit the text, you can click on the text option. Okay, and here you will be able to edit the text according to your needs. For example, I'm going to change this one. I'm going to enter my Instagram account, for example. Okay, and you'll be able to edit the color of the text as well. Okay, I'm going to click on this pencil icon to customize the text. You can go to the color if you want to edit the color of the text. You can customize it as you like. You'll be able to apply effect as well to your text. And I'm going to apply a glow effect. Okay, like this. And I'm going to change the color. Wait guys, for the color I'm gonna go with this one. All right. Okay, and then you can also change the position of your text. Just play around right here and it's up to you. Okay, and I'm going to change this one. Go to the edit and you'll be able to change the font if you want. Just go to the font and select the font that you like. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit text in Capcut template. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.